Hey there, I'm Josephine from nanocosmos, and today I'm going to show you how to start streaming using OBS with nanoStream Cloud. OBS is a great free tool for live streaming, and with nanoStream Cloud we can deliver your content worldwide in real time. Let's dive in.
First, let's get OBS ready for streaming to nanoStream Cloud. If you don't have OBS installed yet, you can download it for free from obsproject.com. Once it's installed, open OBS and we'll go through the steps. Stream details in nanoStream dashboard. Next, let's create a stream in the nanoStream dashboard. Follow these steps. First, click on the Create New Stream button in the dashboard. In the dialog box that appears, type a tag of your choice, such as test. After entering your tag, press the Enter key to confirm it. Then, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Create New Stream button to complete the process. After creating the stream, you'll see important details, the stream name and ingest URL. These are the key elements you'll need to configure your encoder. Copy these details from the dashboard. We are using RTMP here, but you can also use the SRT format. Now let's open OBS. Before configuring your stream settings, make sure to add a source in OBS. This could be your camera, a screen capture, or another media source. To do this, go to the Sources section at the bottom of the OBS window, click the plus button, and select the type of source you want to add. Once your source is set, let's move on to configuring the stream settings. In OBS, there is an auto configuration wizard showing on the first start of OBS. You can either use this or use the manual configuration. Let's do the manual configuration here. Click the Settings button, choose Stream, and in the Service selector, choose Custom. Then, paste the RTMP URL and stream name as a stream key, which you'll find in the nanoStream dashboard. Once you've configured the settings in OBS, make sure to click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Simply click Start Streaming in OBS. Your stream will be sent to nanoStream Cloud, where it's prepared for global, low-latency playback. However, it makes sense to configure your video stream with more details. There are things like video bitrate and video resolution in the output, and video sections of the settings, which you should adjust according to your requirements. To get started, we recommend using a medium resolution and bitrate. Choose 1280x720 for your video resolution and 1000 kilobits per second for the video bitrate. For the lowest latency times, go to Output, use the advanced settings in output mode and switch to zero latency in Tune. To watch your stream, go back to the nanoStream dashboard. Under Web Playout, you'll see a live playout URL. Click it to view your live stream. You can all do this in an automated way with our API and also add the player to your own web page. Just use the provided embed code. And that's it! You've successfully set up and started a stream with OBS and nanoStream Cloud. If you have any questions or want more details, check out our documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!